Welcome to COSMETIC Factory App, the tablet application that simplifies the management of your cosmetic product formula tests. No more manual reporting of information at the end of your tests. Forget about paper notes, lab notebooks, and Excel files. Download the application on your tablet and let's start. In COSMETIC Factory, scan the QR code of the formula to be tested. You can delete or add new raw materials and change the concentrations as you wish until you find the right formula. You save photos of your tests and enter all the data needed for the evaluation directly into the application. You can enter them manually, scan them, and even dictate them out loud. You no longer need to tediously compare your results with the marketing brief and the various technical requirements. Throughout your tests, instant alerts automatically inform you of any deviation from the set constraints. Your glycerin stock is almost exhausted? Don't wait until you run out of stock. Scan the QR code of the raw materials to place an order. Be efficient, make it simple, carry out your tests with COSMETIC Factory App.